What's up guys, I'm Connor Lodes and this is my 2014 Premium CK bike check. I ride a Premium CK frame. It's a 20.8 top tube. It's pretty short back end and everything, easy to bunny hop, stuff like that. So it's pretty cool, it's a good frame. I run the Premium Lodes bars, 8.75 rise. They're really good, they feel awesome, good for bunny hops and nose manuals, all that stuff. I also ride the Premium FYB forks. They're really good, solid forks. My wheels are both Demolition. I got the rotator hub in the back, the free coaster one, and then Bulimia V3, I believe, in the front. I got the Demolition dump truck pegs, plastic ones. They slide really good on anything, super buttery. I also run the Demolition rig cranks. Those are the new sample ones that Dennis Anderson's coming out with. It's gonna be his signatures. They're pretty solid, they're pretty beefy and fat, like pretty good to land tail whips on and stuff like that. Run the Trooper pedals to go with those cranks. Pretty good, comes in all different colors and everything. My sprocket's the Demolition Magadu sprocket, I believe. Super strong and durable. I also run a Demolition seat post, and I'm running my signature sample seat right now. It's called the Demolition Axe seat, I believe. And then it's coming out in March, pretty sure. And along with that is my signature stem too. It's coming out in March also. It's a top load stem, pretty short, it's like 50 millimeters. So pretty beefy stem too, looks pretty good. Oh, my tires are in the machete tires, Demolition machete tires in the front, and Demolition Momentum tire in the back. So it's a nice little trail tire in the front and slick tire in the back, makes it nice and smooth. So go out and get some of that stuff, guys.